the mystery of nature's strongest thorn fortress, the unexpected story of durian skin. Look at this thing. It's a fruit, but it's also a fortress. Nature's most contradictory mystery. On the outside, it's like a thorny monster ready to hurt. But inside lies a treasure trove of soft, fragrant fruit. Behold, the extraordinary sight of the durian's thorn-covered skin seen through a microscope, very detailed and clear. On the durian skin full of thorns, there's a green color, and the durian skin is very dry. Why does the durian have to be so extreme? What's the story behind each of its sharp spines? And why did nature design it with such intricate and ingenious detail? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're not just eating durian. We're going to enter a different world. We're going to uncover not the flesh, but the skin's greatest secret. From an unexpected defense, from its puzzling cracking problem, to its incredible potential. This is a scientific expedition to uncover the full story of the durian skin. Ready to get started? The first and most fundamental question is, why are these sharp spines there? This isn't coincidence or decoration. It's the result of a brilliant evolutionary strategy. Imagine, each of these thorns starts from a small group of cells on the surface of young skin. These cells are instructed by genes to grow aggressively and unevenly, forming peaks. Then they begin to lignify, a process in which their cell walls become filled with lignin, the building block of wood. That's why these thorns are so hard and stiff. Nature is building its first line of defense. But there's more. Look at the color here. Green. Why green? This is the second key. This green isn't just a color. It's an energy factory. In the layer just beneath the thorns, there are thousands of chloroplasts, the same organelles found in leaves. Yes, this durian skin can photosynthesize. While the fruit is still hanging on the branch, this green layer works hard to capture sunlight, helping to produce additional nutrients for the baby durian inside. So, it's not just a passive guardian. It's a fortress that can supply its own food. The function of the spines is clear, protection. But this protection has a timer. When the seeds inside are ready, the fruit must signal. And these spines are the visual marker. Look closely. Ripe durian has a secret code. The tips of the spines will be brown, while the body will still be green. The spines will also appear spaced further apart as the fruit expands. And most interestingly, the tips of the thorns become more flexible. When pressed, they are no longer as hard as stone. This is nature's white flag, a sign that the fortress is ready to be opened and the gift is complete. But sometimes we see the skin cracked and dry, like a desert lacking water. Meanwhile, the flesh inside still looks fresh. Another contradiction. What's going on? This is a dramatic design accident. Imagine, after a dry season, suddenly heavy rains come. The durian tree's roots absorb vast amounts of water, like a pump. This water floods the fruit. This causes the flesh inside to develop too quickly and too aggressively. Meanwhile, the hardened, rigid outer skin can't keep up with the pressure from within. The result? The fortress walls burst. Once the protection mission is complete and we've enjoyed its contents, what's left? A mountain of useless fortresses. But wait, in nature, there's no such thing as trash. The tough and fierce-looking durian skin is actually a powerful fertilizer. Yes, durian skin can be used as compost, and it's highly recommended. Research has shown that durian skin compost has unique properties. Its pH is neutral, around 7, and it is rich in calcium, CaSO3. This means it is the perfect remedy for tired and acidic soil. It restores life to the soil. The process is a total transformation, from a hard, thorny fortress through a 3 to 4 week composting process with the help of microorganisms. It transforms into a dark, loose, and life-filled material humus. durian skin is not just a wrapper or a barrier. It is an intelligent and purposeful system, a green, photosynthetic fortress, a timekeeper with a secret code for ripeness. If you're curious about other natural masterpieces, or have ideas for other strange fruits you'd like us to explore together, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next exciting science expedition. See you in the next video.